I'm Nelson Yutzi with Helmuth Repair. You have to have chains. Like I said, that's the highest maintenance item, and try to encourage our farmers to lubricate them with a designated chain lube, not just use motor oil. Along with chains goes sprockets. Now they don't necessarily have to change sprockets every time they change a chain if they do it properly, but you have to have sprockets. We have to have belts in stock all the time, both for the flywheel and for the hydraulic pump. Got to have bearings in stock, whether that's for the lower shaft, the hammer mill, the flywheel, that kind of thing. Bearings are imperative to keep in stock. Got to have weigh bars. Today, if his scale quits, he wants it fixed now because he can't grind without a scale. He doesn't want to guess. Plus, feed costs are expensive enough. They don't like guessing. It costs some money to guess. Got to have weigh bars in stock. Discharge parts you've got to have on hand because you got to be able to get the feed out. Basically, your chains, your bearings, some of that stuff are emergency items in that when those go bad, that grinder is down and it can't be used, and it's got to be going now.